59. Friday, thunderstorms, high around 86. Charleston Harbor water temperature 87 degrees. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lee County in central South Carolina, northern Clarendon County in central South Carolina, Sumter County in central South Carolina, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Poinsett State Park, or 8 miles southwest of South Sumter, moving east at 25 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Sumter, Manning, South Sumter, Shire Base, Alcoa, Oakland, Woods Bay State Park, Mulberry, Sumter County Airport, Millwood, Poinsett State Park, Turbyville, Maceville, Pinewood, Paxville, King Savannah, Brogdon, Wedgwood, Cherryvale, and Stateburg. This includes Interstate 95 between mile markers 119 and 146. The National Weather Service in Columbia has